friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a PUBG Battleground test between the Honor 9X Pro device versus POCO X2 device. As you can see, friends, and this is the Honor 9X Pro of the Chinese variant of Honor 9X, so which is a Kirin 810 processor. So let me show you the about phone properties so you can understand clearly. As you can see, friends, Kirin 810. So this is a Chinese variant of Indian model. So in this video, I'll be doing the PUBG Battleground test comparison between both the phones. And before starting the video, do subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description also. So in this video, I'll be using with the smooth and ultra settings. So before I did the another PUBG Battleground test comparison as well between both the phones using smooth and extreme settings. So if you are interested, you can check that video, friends. So you'll get to know how is the battery life if you are using smooth and extreme as well. So there is a links in description available for the playlist of PUBG Battleground test. So in this video, I'll be playing only with the smooth and ultra settings, not with the smooth and extreme settings. So as most of the users are also requested me of doing this kind of video using the smooth and ultra settings. So let me open the PUBG game, and if you want to know what live wallpaper I'm using, even there is a playlist available for the wallpapers as well. So don't forget to check out the playlist, friends, so which will be very good. And even there is a separate application as well only for the POCO X2 model. So let me open the PUBG game right now, and both the phones are right now charged at 100%. And one more thing, let me mention, friends, in the Honor 9X Pro you do get the option of choosing the high performance mode, as you can see. So let me enable the performance mode while playing this game. So we'll get to know how is the battery life as well by enabling the performance mode. So this is what I'm gonna show you before starting the video. So 100% the battery and full brightness I'll be using in this test. As you can see, friends, full brightness and with the Wi-Fi connection in both the phones. And let me show you the settings as well. So graphics settings. So these are the default settings you can play in both the devices with the smooth and ultra settings. So both are having the same kind of settings right now. So let me disconnect the cable and start the stopwatch. So unfortunately, friends, you need to use a GFX tool to get more graphics settings in both the phones, in the Honor 9X Pro and in the POCO X2. So they don't support by default with the smooth and extreme settings. So that was the problem with the Snapdragon 730G. Even with the Realme X2 also that is the case. So by default it only supports the smooth and ultra settings. So in terms of the gameplay, both are very good. And even the Kirin 810 processor is pretty powerful, friends. And you do get the full screen of experience in the Honor 9X Pro device, and the stopwatch has begun, and both I am using with the full brightness, friends, full brightness and with a Wi-Fi connection. And I'll be playing continuously the game for about maybe 2 or 4 hours, and let's check how much the battery will be dropped. So don't forget to check out my other videos on the PUBG Battleground test, friends, so which will be very interesting. So there's links available in the description below, so don't forget to check out the playlist. So again, I'll be back after maybe 2 or 3 hours, and let's check how much the battery will be dropped in both the phones. So as you can see, friends, it's been 3 hours of continuously playing the PUBG game in both phones with a 100% brightness. So let's check how much is the battery percentage in both the phones. So do subscribe to my channel, friends, and also like this video. It's because it takes a lot of time and effort in making. So as you can see, right now it's 43% in the Honor 9X Pro device, and in the POCO X2, let's check how much battery percentage is. As you can see, 29%. So clearly there is a difference of 14% between both the phones, POCO X2 and Honor 9X Pro. So I'll be keeping on this test running on continuously until the battery reaches to 5% or very close to 2%, friends. So then we can understand how much is the difference between both the phones if you're playing with the smooth and ultra settings. So again, I'll be back after a couple of hours. So I think maybe next 2 hours, maybe 1.5 hours, the battery should last easily. It's been 4 hours and 6 minutes, and the battery in the POCO X2 got dropped to the 2%, as you can see clearly. So as you can see, friends, I am using with the full brightness, with the 100% brightness, and the smooth and ultra settings I am using. so not with the smooth and extreme settings. So there is another video on that smooth and extreme settings. So if you want to take a look, you can check the links in description for that video. So let me open the battery settings even in the Honor 9X Pro device. So as you can see friends, so 1% in the POCO X2 and Honor 9X Pro still has 24% left. So it can easily get another more hour even while playing with the 100% brightness. So that's a good advantage in the phone. So that's it friend, this is overall PUBG battery and test comparison between Honor 9X Pro and the POCO X2 device. So for more videos do subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.